We've been told it was wrong.
Ozzy.
Oh, wait, oh. Ozzy. Thank you.
That sounds right. It does sound right to me.
That feels right in my soul.
I'm gonna have to talk to that
All
security
right, so
guard
when
next
we
to
do
you.
it in Perth, we'll get it right.
A second.
I did it right.
Two-time.
I'm
All right.
wrong. How we got it wrong?
DJ.
Thank you.
Unbelievable. How old are you? Alright, all seriousness, back to the show. We want to right now thank the lovely and talented All Our Exes Live in Texas tonight for supporting us. Fantastic. You guys truly have some talented ladies here. We'd like to thank you very much for warming you guys up for us tonight. They, along with all of you guys out there, are the reason why the Backstreet Boys always love coming back to Australia. Because here in Australia, you guys have so much love for the Backstreet Boys.